I guess. It's about time that you get what you need and what you deserve. This love been buzzing like bees. Don't think of the end, we've been through the worst. My sign, match your sign. I gotta thank God for the universe. Ain't had a nigga like me, it's new to her. Girlfriend's like, sheesh, what he do to her? I'm on. Yeah, I'm on.
What's up, divas and hustlers? It's your girl, BrittanyDivaee, and today we are back at it again, spreading peace, love, and positivity. And I am here to give you guys a tutorial on these brows, okay? Because a lot of y'all been asking me for a brow tutorial. A lot of y'all have been saying, oh my God, how did you do that? They look so good, blah, blah, blah. Thank you. And I'm finna show you how to do it so you can look like me. By the way, I just wanted to tell y'all, all my products are cheap. All my products are products that you can buy from CVS, Walgreens. I think I got everything from CVS and Walgreens. Yeah, because, you know, it is what it is. You're balling on the budget, you know. But I still make it look good. So I made this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I would love to know your feedback. And I want y'all to, like, show me what y'all did based off my video. Because, you know, I want to help. I want to teach people. My manager at my job want me to teach her, so, you know, it is what it is. But stay tuned for the video, y'all. What's up, y'all? Okay, so first I'm gonna show y'all the products that I use. So this is my brush. I think it is from Elf. I don't remember, but it has a spoolie on the end and then the angle brush for the brows. And this right here is my eyebrow pomade from Elf. If y'all don't know, this is that stuff, okay? That's that stuff. So first, what I'm going to do is dip my brush inside the pomade, and then I'm going to brush my eyebrows with the spoolie to even them out, because they need to, you know, be lined up. We want to look good. We want to look good, okay? Okay, period. So now I'm going to take my angle brush, and I'm just going to go along the line of my eyebrow. So I'm going to trace starting from like maybe like a centimeter from the beginning of your eyebrow, and, you know, trace that line. And then, girl, what you doing? There you go. Okay, but yeah, trace that line, and then, you know, make sure the line is real light at the beginning of the eyebrow, because you don't want to be looking like blocks out here in these streets. I know, girl, I know. Shake your head. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the top of my eyebrow and just trace that in. I'm gonna speed this part up for y'all, because all I'm doing in this part basically is like tracing my eyebrow and then filling in that back part. Do not fill in the front part of your eyebrow where it's the lightest, because you don't want it to look like a block or like completely dark. You want it to be faded, kind of like how eyebrows should look. And then, you know, as I just did, brush that top parts to even out the color in the front. You don't want it to look too dark, but you also don't want it to be too super light, like that. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, listen, don't pay attention to my eye, y'all. I have a sty on my eye, and it is annoying. Look at my eyebrow. Look at that. I did a terrible job cutting my eyebrows, but we're gonna fix it. You ain't even gonna tell. Look at me realizing I did that. Anyway, back to the eyebrow. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing I did to my first eyebrow, now to my second eyebrow. Stop complaining, girl. And I'm gonna speed this part up for y'all too. Okay, so y'all probably just seen me like measure my eyebrow with my fingernail to make sure that they even. Getting your eyebrows to be even is like super important, because you don't want one eyebrow to be like super high and the other one to be super low. You don't want one to be like super dark, the other one to be super light. So you have to make sure that you pay attention to what you're doing. Stop, pause, look at the mirror a little bit, examine your eyebrows, take something and like measure them like I did with my fingernail. But yeah, so make sure you brush them out. The front, make sure you keep like the front parts of your eyebrows very light, and the back parts you can like blend it in or whatever. Like what I'm doing right here is brushing out the front to make sure that it's not super dark, taking some of the product off, you know, stuff like that. And now I'm just fixing them so they look good. So yeah, next up we're going to conceal and blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my flat brush that I also got from Elf. It's like all old and stuff, so the stickers on. But my flat brush, and then I'm going to take, it's upside down, flip it, yes. Okay, so now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the color Light Ivory. I couldn't get it to focus. You can kind of see that it says Light Ivory in the corner over there. But yes, in the shade Light Ivory, because that's my go-to concealer when I do my full face or my eyebrows or whatever. But I'm going to take a little bit of the Light Ivory, and I'm going to put it on my hand. That is too much. I only do a little bit because I'm not doing a full face, but when I do a full face I do more because that's the same concealer that I use to conceal my face. Yes, but now I'm going to dip my brush in it, and I'm only going to put a little tiny bit, as you can see on the brush, a little tiny bit, and then I'm going to start lining under my eyebrows. Normally when I do this, if I only do my eyebrows, I do the normal concealer under, and then I use like a color that's the same as my foundation or something like that at the top, so it doesn't look super light. In this video I did not do that, but that is normally what I do. I kind of messed up right here, but you're gonna see in a second that I'm gonna take my angle brush right here that I use to apply my pomade, and I'm gonna clean it up so that that concealer is not on my eyebrow. And yeah, so then you take that brush and you conceal. Did I do it again? I did it again. Shaking my head. But conceal the bottom and the top. Move your hand out the way. What are you doing? Move, girl, so they can see. Okay. But the bottom and the top, make sure you get the shades that you want. And then after this, you're just going to blend the concealer so that, you know, it doesn't look like that. Because you don't want to be out here looking like that, girl. You don't want to be out here looking like that. So I kind of fixed it a little bit because sometimes I mess up. But now I'm going to start blending, and in a second I'm going to speed this part up for y'all because, you know, it's kind of self-explanatory. So yeah. Okay, so now at this part of the video, I'm basically doing the same thing that I did to my first eyebrow. I applied the concealer under the bottom and on the top of my eyebrow, and now I am blending to the dots, honey, because that is important. Blending is like really important, just as important as making sure your eyebrows are even, because you don't want it to be too light around your eyebrows. You don't want the line to be too thick because it will look cakey. Trust me, it will look cakey. Now, in a few seconds, I'm going to apply my eyebrow slits. These are completely optional. You don't have to do it. If you want to just end the video right here and, you know, go about your day with your eyebrows, that's fine. I do the eyebrow slit simply because that's just, you know, part of the look that I like sometimes. It depends on my day, my mood, or whatever, how I'm feeling. But yeah, all I do is take a dab of the same concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, cover Light Ivory, and then I blend out the excess concealer on the ends of my eye. And then that's it. I'm going to do 2 slits in the video, but you don't have to do any if you don't want to. But yeah, that's basically the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You know, refer me to your friends, anything like that, and give me some more feedback. Let me know how y'all did on your eyebrows. Make a video, send me a picture, do what y'all gotta do. I mean, I support y'all just like y'all support me, so I hope y'all appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye.
Ain't never got you know it being modest. Pop and ship it only cause you know you poppin'.